Here's just a quick tour of Myworld. Just wanted to show you some of the places that you can get discounted items in. You can go here to Walmart and order a gift card and you're getting 25% of your purchase back in shopping points. I think Publix is in here. There are so many amazing options here. Same thing, Publix, order your gift card, a $100 gift card, and get 25% shopping points. Home Depot is in here. You can get Home Depot, you can order your gift card and you get 25, 50, or 100, get 2.2% cash back. And then you can also go to online shopping and get 0.5% cash back. It'll take you directly to the Home Depot website, and so you can add your items to your cart and then check out and then put your gift card right in and make your purchase. I've done that a couple times. Really easy to do. One of the things that you can do, you can go into Myworld and look for cash back deals. You can find that here. And then any of these deals that you find here, great way to find top cash back deals if you shop at Temu or Temu. You can also search for online partners, e-vouchers if you like going to Bath & Body Works, CVS, Pottery Barn. I mean, if you're already shopping at these places, you might as well get cash back. That's the way that I feel. You might as well make some money when you're doing it. Travel, you get really great cash back deals with travel. There are some products in here. This is just a quick tour of the website. But take a look because there's so much. I think there's 500,000 different retailers. Think of anything. Pets. My dog just perked her ears up. You could shop online at stores that you're already shopping at, like Petco. Peter Thomas Roth, which is not a pet shop, but man, if you're gonna buy some skincare products, you might as well get 3% cash back. Look in here, Tractor Supply is 2%. If you're already spending money at these places, you might as well earn some cash back while you do it. And Chewy, 1.5%. Restaurants. Let's see if I can spell restaurants correctly. There's so many. Red Robin, O'Charlie's. What do we have here? Chipotle. Panera Bread. We do Panera a lot. Sonic. If you're getting your steaks online, Omaha Steaks, you might as well get 5% cash back if you're already spending the money. Papa John's. There's so much. Look at this. It just goes on and on. Tonight we're going to Carrabba's, Famous Dave's, Dave & Buster's, Quiznos, Bob Evans. So many. Auntie Anne's, Taco Bell, Panda Express, Buffalo Wild Wings, and keeps going and going and going. There's just about everything you can imagine is in here. If you're curious, I can give you the link. Just take a look and see if there's going to be somewhere that you're going to be eating this weekend. If you're going to go to Seasons 52, a nice special occasion out, 5% cash back. Applebee's, 5% cash back. There's so many. Grocery stores, there's Whole Foods, there's Walmart. If you're doing one of those box companies, Blue Apron, Every Plate, Green Chef, HelloFresh. Kroger is in here. I don't see it right now, but Kroger, Publix. What else? Whole Foods is in here. Starbucks is in here as well. There's just so many options. If you're wanting to find something that you can save money, this is a completely free app. If you're a couponer, you got to check out CVS, Walgreens, and Publix. I shop at all the time. You can go on to CVS, get your gift card for 5% cash back, any denomination you want. Then you could go on here and get an additional 1%. Just click here. It'll take you directly to the CVS website. Same thing for Walgreens. Same thing for Publix. It's a great way to double up on coupons if you're like a couponing person, which I am. If you're using Fetch and Ibotta and you're using all those, you can clean up on here. If you know how to coupon, this is a great way to add on. And the stores that you're shopping at, the shoes. Some people are doing like Amazon FBA. If you know what Amazon FBA is, you're always looking for the best deals, and this will give you an additional. And the greatest thing about this is that you could still use whatever coupons. This does not interfere with any of the couponing sites or rewards programs or anything else. You can go on to Adidas website or Dr. Scholl's or Crocs, find great deals with them, Converse, Shoe Sensation, Foot Shop, and use their good deals, and then this is an addition. And sometimes if you're really lucky, there'll be a gift card that you can purchase to like Famous Footwear, JCPenney's, Cabela's, the NBA store. You guys, look at this. TJ Maxx, Marshall's Home Goods, Dick's Sporting Goods, Fanatics, NHL Shop, Fanatics. You get 5% cash back. Saks Fifth Avenue, places you're already shopping. If you're planning to go to Macy's, get in here, buy your gift card. You get 8% cash back. So if you're already going to spend some money, you might as well get the cash back with it too. Great website. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour. Again, I have a link that will give you access to this. You'll get 30 shopping points right away. Then you can take advantage of any of these cash back deals if you're going to go shopping for the kids, or if you need to go to Dick's Sporting Goods to get them some stuff for their sports teams for this weekend. Let me know. I'll give you a link that gives you this app completely for free. All right, guys, have a good one.